Yeah, so that's what you want to be looking at on the dollar. Like whatever the dollar does is what's pretty much gonna happen on any other pairs, you know. So like if the dollar goes down, well, pairs like UJ, UCAD, and so on, like main pairs with the dollar, they're gonna be going down, right? So they're gonna go the same way with the dollar index, but you're trading opposites, such as like the pound dollar, or no gold dollar, and so on. If the dollar goes down, well, those pairs should be going up. They're opposites, right? So since you already got in for a buy on gold, and you should be good. Just watch out for that London Open since we are actually testing inside this 4 hour commission price candle on the dollar right there. So we could start seeing movement to the upside, which would create the the gold dollar come lower.
Yeah, I do see that on my
And
trade.
then
It came down a little bit.
we could actually, yeah, it's also inside this imbalance area, that 50% right here in the 1 hour for the dollar. So gold, now you see it's already rejecting to the downside again. So yeah, just watch out for that right there. Always make sure
Yeah.
you look at the dollar before you trade gold or such other pairs.
All right, good looking now. I closed the trade. I took what it gave me and called it a day.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. And then well, the pair that I'm looking at for tonight is GU. GU, if you're still inside that buy limit, I actually just got out right now, break even. Too bad I wasn't awake when I was up here. So yeah, because I did from the R entry price, which is right here, went all the way up there to like 50 pips, but I was
Damn,
I was asleep, so I woke
man.
up when I was already at break even again. So I just got out right now and some profits, a little bit of profits, not much.
That fucking
Um,
sucks.
yeah, but all good. There's more trades to come. So since we already had that push to the upside, if we took a look at the pound dollar, since we do see the dollar index coming to the upside now, we should see the pound dollar start coming down once again. Just taking a look at the weekly perspective here for the pound dollar, we could see how it's filling its imbalance on the weekly right here, as you could see, and already starting creating some rejections. The reason why is because on the daily time frame, we could see how we tested inside the commission price candle, which filled in this imbalance as well. As you could see, it never broke above it. We did come around that 50% of the candle, which was right here, which is where market's always going to range between 50% and the opening of the commission price candle, and then start going down. Market came into it, started coming down, came and tested once more until it came into that price candle and started rejecting to the downside. So most than likely, I should be looking in for selling positions on the pound dollar. Let me
Yeah.
see how it looks if we mark the fib, start at end of the impulse. Respect it inside that 7.9. It broke a little bit above, but we still close below the 7.9 fib level, which is a high premium price. So with that being said, we have multiple confirmations going on the daily as well and weekly time frame. Now coming into the forward time frame, on the forward time frame, just gonna wait and see what happens here. We still have the same balance area here that hasn't been filled in. On top of that, we have now started to create some sell side efficiency, which is sell side liquidity on the forward time frame. And we still have liquidity here on this old low, which we could still potentially keep pushing even lower, all the way down to it to commission our price candle that has never been tested before and fill in the remaining area of that imbalance zone to come all the way down here. So I would want to see the pound dollar have a movement to the downside for this upcoming week, or remains of this week and next week. As in so far, which has been in distribution since Sunday market open, which we opened on Sunday was what, the 21st, right?
I'm not too sure, to be honest.
But yeah, it was around this area, which was Sunday, either October 20th or 21st is when we opened, and we just been in some distribution phase, not really doing a lot, just making distribution, creating liquidity, which we should come in, clear out the sales liquidity down here, which would blow through this old low and into the commission price candle to create this new impulse to the upside. If I'm not incorrect, that incremental price candle on a daily time frame or weekly time frame, yeah, it's inside the breaker of that daily time frame right here where we broke structure. So this is where we can start looking for potential buy opportunities as well. I think right now we're going to be looking to sell. So now coming to the 1 hour time frame here, right here in the 1 hour time frame, it's currently respecting well. There's the commission price candle there. It's just inside that area. Hasn't really broken above it. So I would want to see it going lower now from there. Let's just make sure on low time frame, 30-minute time frame. Respecting well. We do have this 30-minute commission price candle. Around 19, 20 pips to the upside. It's already been tested though, so let's see how much longer we have for London. Still got 15 more minutes for that London open. So we could be looking for shorts here on the pound dollar. Just want to make sure we get in for a good entry.
So like the 1.38.
Where?
Like as a potential sell area.
Let me see. No, it would be lower. Like right here. So like where that wick is, right there. Just kind of want to see how this 1 hour time frame candle closes. Because we still got a couple minutes for a London session to come in. So we go ahead and mark my fib level here.
Hey, so I had a question again, just to recap. So you said when we look at the dollar index and it shows that the dollar is going down, we can expect our pairs that are to the left to be going up if it's trading against the dollar, or we're expecting it is like, that's what you meant, right?
Yeah. So like you see how here the dollar is going down in this candle. Maybe take a look at GU. What's it doing? It's going up.
Oh, so gold would be going up right now.
Yeah. Well, it's at the same area.
Yeah.
It hasn't been going down, so it's just remaining there. And then we'll UJ should be going down. UCAD should be going down.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
UCHF should be going down. See? And EURUSD, well, should be going up. And so on. Just right now, it's kind of waiting here. Yeah, we could start looking for potential entries on this area for the pound dollar, which would be on that 30-minute price candle. If anything, we'll be placing the sell limit here. My stop, I'll just have above that high. And take profit. Well, we should be having two take profits which the first one would be to cloud this liquidity down here, right at 80 pips, and the second one would be all the way down here at 163 to test that contract price candle. Actually, you know what? I do also like this 4-hour. Let's see. 1 hour looks. You're right in that area. Actually base it from the opening of the 4-hour. We can actually just get in right now. I didn't see this right here, which is the rejection block. Just testing inside of it. You do know what a rejection block is, right?
No, haven't learned it.
Well, like the commission at price candle that just gets rejected onto it, like this right here.
Uh-huh.
So you see how it's respected it here, 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 and here.
Oh, okay.
And it's still respecting where it's at right now.
So we can see it as a sign.
Yeah, so that's a rejection block right there.
Okay, cool.
So we could actually get in for a short right now on GU. My stop. All right, there, 35 pips should be fine. Take profit 1. What if we at that area? All right, so GU, we should be getting for a short now. Let's see. Let me get in. Here's the chart. Feeling confident on this one, so I'll drop a fat roll lot. Like,
Me too, bro. I'm going 0.002.
nah, I'm dropping 15 lots on this right here.
I'm going double.
All right, so right here we stop loss is gonna be a 35 pips. It's at 38115. When they're getting the right pair, I like 3815. Let me send it to the group. So GBPUSD sell now. Take profit 1. It's gonna be at 1.37090, which is 67 pips. And then take profit 2. It's at down here. Which is at 1.36290. Which is 147 pips. And the stop loss. Oh, what happened, man? You
You
lost
hear
the
that?
trade already? You lost the trade?
No, it said no connection.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm pre-put it in right now.
And the stop loss is gonna be at 1.38, 115. Just 35 pips. Awesome. You got it?
Yeah, thank you.
And we'll see how this trade goes. Just yeah, reject. I mean, we still have selling session to come in open. It's doing pretty good right now. Any questions on GPUSD?
Nah, not at the moment.
No. Any other pairs that you might have a question on or want to overview?
I set up a sell limit for Euro USD. Go look at it.
Where do you have it at?
My sell limit is at 1.16473.
What's that? 1.16473.
Yeah,
All the way up there.
yeah, it's gonna be more of like a swing trade or something. I'm going short.
And we already came into that level here.
Oh, for real?
Well, on the weekly time frame, where we had that support. Daily. We do have a price candle here. 4 hour. Before we came and tested it. If anything, should be looking for sales. For current market prices to come and cloud this low. Because we're testing for that commission price candle. Here. We had already tested this area, which was that daily commission price candle right there. That's the 4 hour breaker, which we broke structure. Market comes down, creates the imbalance here on the 4 hour, comes up, testing that commission price candle. And if you add the fib here, it's coming into that discount prices. It's already above equilibrium. So we could still see it come a bit higher. So it's 705. Just mark this area up. See what we had, what confirmations we get on the 1 hour. To the 2 hour. We have the high. We have the low. High, it's low. It comes at 62. Should be the 1 hour. Yeah, if anything, you could start looking for sales now and put your stop above this high here. And your profit will be all the way down here. So let's say, for example, we were getting for a short right now. Well, this would be your entry price, your stop loss above this high, like 22 pips, and your take profit all the way down here at 82 to cloud that low over here. Got it?
Yeah.
Any other questions? And GU, we should be in profits now. Let's go. Everything good?
Let's see. Yeah, I got it.
Any questions before I end the call?
Um, on GU we went for sales, right?
Yeah, we should be on sales right now.
Okay, cool. I might have put my entrance just a little bit sooner than yours.
I mean, if anything, I mean, you shouldn't be in that much drop. If
Oh no.
anything, yeah. And I'm in profits right now. If you got in sooner, I mean, you should be in profits too.
Yeah, I got in at 1.37732.
Yeah, I should be going down now, downhill.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. All right, then, well, that being said, that concludes tonight's session. I'll see you tomorrow if you get on. Have a great night and happy trading.
You too, brother. Hey, after this, I had a question for you.
All right, hold on, give me 1 second.